if I want to find the equivalent resistance between A and B, okay, you can see the from A, if I just cross A to B, I'm going to have this resistance just like this one. Name R1, this R2, 3, R4, just like this. That's given the name. If I just A to B, if I cross B, R1, isn't it fine? Because why this is B? You can see this terminal B and this terminal B just connected by a short wire. That's why this point is B, this point is also B. Simple. Similarly, if this point is A, it is connected by a short wire. This point is also A. This point is also A. Naturally, like you can see that from A, I'm just going to come this point A. Crossing this A, I'm going to get B, point B. So this I can tell R3. From A crossing this resistance, I'm going to get B. This is R3 connected. Okay. Similarly, if I take this resistance, this point is B, this point is A, cross B to A, I'm going to get this one, R2, B to A to B, whatever maybe. This is R2, R2. Okay. Similarly, A to B, what is the resistance? Final resistance is going to be existing, R4. So, conclude from this diagram, we can conclude this resistance 1, 2, 3, 4. They are parallelly connected, and 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R plus 1 by R, ultimately concluding that the equivalent resistance is R by 4.